What makes modern electronics smaller, smarter, and more reliable? It starts with chip resistors. But which companies are leading this market? KOA Corporation leads the chip resistors market with 15% share, backed by its broad portfolio of passive electronic components. Wolfson Technology follows with 11%, while Vishay Intertechnology holds 7%. KOA Corporation and ROHM round out the top 5 with 5% each, reflecting their strong presence in precision and high reliability resistor technologies. As industries embrace AI, electric vehicles, and smart technologies, chip resistor innovation is becoming essential to supporting faster and more efficient electronic systems. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.